Alright, so just quick video. I'm gonna disassemble this, take this apart, peel this chrome off, their trim, and this is the cut I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go through here, go across like that. Not this one, but that top one. And I'm gonna take off that much. So these are the, zoom in real quick. It's like the star style, hex or whatever they call them. So I'm gonna take all these out, take off the top one. And then I get the marble, black marble wrap. So everything I'll have to wait till it gets in. So I'll order everything, wrap this, and then I'll put the trim back on after I wrap it and tuck the sides. I'm gonna leave this one black. I do like it. And then I'll throw some of the trim in here to chrome that out. And I might replace these cups with the full through steel ones or the chrome ones or steel or aluminum, whatever they are. They just sit in there and they go all the way through. So I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble it and show you guys that. So first screw. Oh. So it looks like it just goes straight into the wood. So the first one. So I'll do the other ones and we'll disassemble this whole table. So I guess this video will be just a disassemble to prep and get ready for fitting. So basically what I'm doing is just cutting a small X with the razor blade. And then once I get in, I pull up and then pry it along the sides. So I'm not over stressing out like I did to this one. So, but like I said, I'll fix all this and glue it all back shut. So let me get these last two out and we'll separate the two tables. So top table's off. I'm not gonna pull these, I'm just gonna let them kind of hang there. But that's the top one. And then the bottom one, like so, just drills through the fabric. And there's washers that he uses in here. So I can either pop these out or I can just leave in there and just slide them back because I got this one sliding around in here. I'm not worried about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this back now. Take this off and then I'll have to go to my brother-in-law's and use his router and trim this off. And then clean it. Order the trim, wrap. We'll marble wrap this, marble wrap black. And then I'm gonna probably do a custom cut here to add the ashtray. So I'm gonna put an ashtray here. This one I might make something out of this here to hold a case to hold cigars. And then these will just be cup holders basically, which I'm gonna be putting a Junction Produce like little can in here. So it'll be, I like the whole idea, just like, let me cook. It'll come out good. So let me go ahead and start peeling this off. So the trim is just double-sided tape. It goes all the way around. We'll peel this all off. So I just gotta see how we did the leather part. Yeah, I might actually be able to reuse this, but I don't think I want to. I mean, all I would have to do is throw double-sided tape on it and reuse it. I might be able to, shoot. We'll see. But yeah, just pull, comes right off. So easy peasy. Just this is going to be the part that's going to suck. Like you go ahead and knock it out. Alright, so like see, paints it black. It's very, I'm not trying to say it in any way, but very simple. Like the cuts on how he puts the leather. So this only thing is going to be is taking off the 3M. I'm going to have to find something to peel it off. This is just trim you can get off of Amazon, eBay, AutoZone. Yeah, simple. So we'll do her cut once I get to my cousin or my brother-in-law and have him let me use his router. I gotta order the ashtray. We'll do the groove cut in here so it can drop and sit. Then get the marble wrap as well. But like I said, custom. Finally do my own thing to my own style. I did hit up Floss VIP and ask about the back tables. He says he doesn't make it. So we're going to be making back tables for the XB. Or he does make back tables. I have it in my Lexus, but he doesn't make it for XBs. So we'll be doing a custom one. And now that I see how he did this, I'm just going to mimic it. And I'll make something to where I can set an iPad or something in the back seat. Have it very VIP-ish. So, but yeah, just a quick video of assembling it, showing you guys how his style is. So, I mean, I'm going to try to probably make my own tables and, you know, get into this. I kind of wouldn't mind making my own tables and just selling them. So, it'll be a fun little project. But yeah, quick video. Easy peasy.